Good morning, children. Welcome to today's virtual session of 9th Standard History. Let us begin today's session with a very beautiful quote. Children, do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Procrastination is the biggest slayer of minds. Do not postpone anything that holds importance for you. Children are tasked, for example, exams or fitness goals may seem difficult at first, but proper planning and efforts in that direction will help you complete it successfully. Just because a task seems difficult doesn't mean it should be left to deal with later. Just take the first step and start with the tiniest job to begin with. Once you have put the wheels in motion, the whole work will be accomplished even before you realize it. Children, in the last week, I introduced the topic empowerment of women and other weaker section. In this topic, you came to know that women, the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, the nomadic tribes, and the denotified tribes are the weaker sections of the Indian society. Women had participated in the freedom struggle. They have made significant contribution in all fields in the post-independence period. Still, gender-based discrimination exists in our society. The root cause of the problems of women in is male-centric mentality of male that is discussed in this topic. Children, you came to know about the manifestation of woman power. Vinoba Bhave made use of woman power in the Bhudan movement. Women volunteers carried the message of Bhudan to all parts of India. You came to know about the Latni Morcha, and then I discussed about the Chipko movement. Chipko movement of 1973 in the forest region at the foothills of the Himalayas was another show of constructive woman power. Children, women followed the strategy of holding hands and encircling each tree. As their method consists of protecting the tree by embracing it, the movement came to be known as the Chipko movement. Then I also discussed the anti-liquor movement, a movement against consumption of arak, a locally produced alcohol, was started by women in Andhra Pradesh. It received good response as women were aware of the sorrow and poverty caused by the untimely death of the head of household due to addiction. Children, you came to know about International Women's Year. United Nations had declared 1975 as the International Women's Year. The three aspects of this program were peace, development, and equality between men and women. A committee of status of women was constituted by the Government of India in 1975 under the chairmanship of Dr. Phulrenu Guha. The committee studied the various problems related to women comprehensively. Children, today I will continue the topic from women empowerment struggle. So that's it. You have to open your textbook. You should open page number 32 and you should listen to me carefully.